Today, we're diving into a term you've probably heard thrown around a lot lately, prompt engineering. But what is it really? And why are tech giants, startups, and even freelancers all racing to master it? Let's break it down. Prompt engineering is the art, and yes, the science, of crafting inputs or prompts that guide artificial intelligence systems like ChatGPT to give us the most accurate, useful, or creative responses possible. You see, AI models don't think like humans. They don't understand your question the way your friend might over coffee. They work by predicting the next best word based on patterns in data. So how you ask a question, the structure, the tone, the specificity can change everything. Let's say you want to write a blog. You could type, write a blog. Sure, you'll get something. But instead, if you say, write a 500-word blog post in a casual tone, targeting college students, explaining how to stay productive during exams. Now that's prompt engineering at work. It's not just for writing either. Prompt engineering powers everything from customer service bots to AI coding assistants, video generators, even game development tools. And here's the wild part. The prompt becomes the programming language. We're no longer just coding in Python or JavaScript. We're now communicating with machines in plain English, but in a smart, strategic way. So why is everyone talking about it? Because AI is only as good as the prompts we feed it. It's like talking to a genie. If you're not careful with your words, you might not get what you truly want. In fact, there's a growing demand for prompt engineers. Some job listings offer six-figure salaries for people who know how to speak to AI effectively. That's right. Mastering how to ask is becoming just as important as knowing how to code. As we move forward into an AI-driven future, one thing is clear. Prompt engineering isn't just a trend. It's a skill, a bridge between human creativity and machine intelligence. So the next time you open a chat with AI, remember it's not just what you ask, it's how you ask it.